Hello, friends. If you're watching this right now, it means you're ready to face something that holds you back, self-doubt. It's something we all face, and yet it has the power to stop us from achieving what we truly want in life. But here's the truth: doubt is not your friend. It's a force that keeps you stuck in your present situation, preventing you from moving forward. Today, I want to help you understand something important. You don't need to doubt yourself. When you doubt yourself, you're essentially giving up your power. You're telling yourself that you aren't capable, that you're not worthy, that the things you desire are beyond your reach. But I'm here to tell you that's a lie. Doubt is just a thought, and thoughts can be changed. The key to overcoming doubt is recognizing that the power to change your circumstances lies within you. The thoughts you entertain shape your reality. If you believe in your own potential and your ability to create, you'll unlock doors you never thought possible. Self-doubt often arises from external circumstances, things you see, hear, or experience. Maybe someone said something that made you question your ability, or maybe the world around you seems to be telling you that your dreams are too big. But the truth is, what you see around you is only a reflection of the thoughts you hold inside. Your external world is shaped by your inner world. If you want to change your reality, you need to first change your thoughts about yourself. When you stop doubting yourself, you open up to the possibility of change. You step into the reality where your desires are already on their way. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment, the perfect circumstances, or for other people to approve of your dreams. The moment you stop doubting yourself, you give yourself permission to believe in your own power. You stop seeing yourself as a victim of circumstance and start recognizing that you are the creator of your reality. One of the most important things to understand is that doubt is not a sign of reality, it's simply a reflection of your current state of mind. If you're not where you want to be, it's because you've been thinking in a way that aligns with your present circumstances. But the good news is, you can change the way you think, and in doing so, you can change the world around you. It's easy to get caught up in the belief that things aren't working out because the evidence around you doesn't match your desires. But reality isn't something fixed, it's something fluid, shaped by your thoughts and beliefs. If you want to experience a different reality, you need to begin thinking differently. You must start to believe in yourself. The more you hold on to the belief that you are capable, worthy, and deserving, the more your external world will begin to shift to reflect that belief. It's also important to recognize that doubting yourself is a form of resistance. You are resisting your true potential, your power, and the success that is waiting for you. When you resist your own greatness, you limit what's possible in your life. The only thing standing between you and your dreams is your belief in yourself. If you can stop doubting your abilities and trust in your potential, you'll begin to see just how much you're capable of. Let's take a moment to think about the times when you've doubted yourself. How often have you stopped before even starting because you didn't think you could do it? How many times have you allowed the fear of failure or the opinion of others to keep you from pursuing something that felt right for you? That fear, that doubt, doesn't belong to you. It's a story you've been telling yourself, a story that you have the power to rewrite. The more you tell yourself that you are capable and worthy, the less room there is for doubt to take root. Another reason people doubt themselves is because of past experiences. Maybe you've tried and failed before, and that failure has planted a seed of doubt in your mind. But let me remind you, failure is not a reflection of your worth. It's simply feedback. It's an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to improve. Just because something didn't work out in the past doesn't mean it won't work out in the future. In fact, each failure brings you closer to success, because with each attempt, you are learning what works and what doesn't. Don't let past setbacks define your future. Your future is a blank canvas, waiting for you to create. Now, I want you to think about the moments when you've succeeded. Maybe it was something small, like completing a task you thought was too difficult, or maybe it was a bigger accomplishment, like reaching a long-term goal. What did you feel when you succeeded? Did you feel proud of yourself? Did you feel that sense of fulfillment and joy? That's the feeling you should tap into when self-doubt tries to creep in. Remind yourself of the times when you were successful, and let that feeling of accomplishment fuel you. Your past successes are proof of your capability. You are more than capable of achieving your dreams. The key to overcoming doubt is shifting your mindset. Instead of focusing on what could go wrong, focus on what could go right. Instead of seeing obstacles, start seeing opportunities. The more you change your thoughts, the more your reality will change. Your mind is the most powerful tool you have, and when you use it wisely, it has the ability to shape your entire life. When you stop doubting yourself, you also stop holding yourself back. You stop waiting for permission from others, and you start moving forward with confidence. The world will open up to you in ways you never imagined. You'll begin to attract the people, opportunities, and circumstances that align with your desires. And all of this begins with the simple act of trusting yourself. Trust is essential. You need to trust in your ability to create your own reality. Trust that what you want is already on its way, and trust that you are worthy of receiving it. Trust that the universe is working with you, not against you. Trust that you are in the right place at the right time, and everything is unfolding as it should. When you trust yourself and the process, doubt has no place in your life. It's also important to recognize that the moment you stop doubting yourself, you shift from a mindset of scarcity to one of abundance. Doubt is rooted in the fear that you won't have enough time, enough money, enough support. But abundance comes when you believe that there is always enough for you. There is always more than enough love, success, and opportunity available to you. The more you believe in abundance, the more you'll attract it into your life. Take a moment to affirm your worth. Say to yourself, I am worthy of my desires. I trust in my ability to create the life I want. I believe in myself, and I know that I am capable of achieving everything I set my mind to. Let these words sink into your consciousness. The more you affirm your worth, the less space there will be for doubt to take hold. You have everything you need right now to succeed. You just need to stop doubting yourself. You are enough, just as you are. Your dreams are valid, your desires are worth pursuing, and you have the power within you to bring them to life. Doubt only keeps you stuck, but self-belief will propel you forward. You are the creator of your reality, and it's time to take control of your destiny. Every thought you think is a seed that will grow into your reality. If you keep doubting yourself, you're planting seeds of limitation. But if you choose to believe in your own potential, you'll plant seeds of success and abundance. The choice is yours. Choose to stop doubting yourself and start trusting in your power. The world is waiting for you to step into your greatness. You are capable. You are worthy. You are enough. Now go out and prove it to yourself. Don't let doubt stop you from becoming the person you were always meant to be. You have the ability to create the life you desire, and it starts with believing in yourself.